Hello, my friends, and welcome to my channel. This is Mrs. DLC, and yay, we're glad you're here. I have had this bag on my wish list since I've started purchasing my empires. So right now I have 148 in the Marlowe, I have the navy in 40, and then I have the honey in 40. And I really love those bags, but I wanted to get the Brooklyn. So that was on my wish list, and I have been watching sites and saw one for a really good price, and that's what we're going to unbox today. Stay tuned. Let's get into it. What do we have? We have a unboxing, and this one is from our friends at Macy's. I don't even know why I was shopping the Macy's site. Maybe I was looking for sales. It's a holiday weekend, July 4th, and to see what they had on sale. And I came across this bag, the Brooklyn, that I just had to get. It retails on the Coach site for $495. Oh, this is a doozy. And here she is. She is in all her packaging. So the retail for this is the 39. This is the extra large, the largest of the Brooklyns. She retails for $4.95 on the Coach site, and she was on sale for $292 on the Macy's website. I have since went to the Coach retail site, and they also have it. They have it for $297, and it's the. I'll show you which one we have here. So they have it for $297, about $5 more than the Macy's. The Macy's had it. Macy's also had a free shipping. So we purchased from Macy's, and this does not look like it's a return. It is nicely packaged here. You can see a little peep from the packaging. This bag is huge. I didn't even realize it was going to be this big. It is really big. Big and beautiful. Look at here, look at here, look at here. Oh my goodness, people. This is the suede, and it's in the sand with the brass accents. I gotta get it in frame. It's so huge, I can't get the whole thing in frame. Now look, I do see, maybe I spoke too quick, but I do see that there are some stains here. So she may be going back. I may not be keeping her, because if I can get a brand new one, I don't know if that's just you know how suede is, that it may look like a stain, but I think that is a stain. I really do. All right, and we have all of the packaging here. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, I'm just really disappointed in that. I don't, maybe when they were wrapping it, and it does have a dust bag. It wasn't in the dust bag, but there is a dust bag here. I'm wondering if I can just, do I have to ship it back, or can I just take it to my local Macy's? I may be able to do that. Has gold Coach inserts, tags in here, and you see it has the paper backing around. And I don't want to take all this out because I'm pretty sure that I will return it. So let's see. let's look at it. From what we can see, we have the brass button here. Oh, look at me. Brass button. And let me show, this is that's the pocket in the inside. You see that peep through there? That is the pocket. And this is, let me see if I can stand and this is the 39. I am, I'm 5'4", so this is how it comes on me. It looks really weird with all this. Let me just try to expose some more. So here it is. It's a 39, and I guess you would just be dumping everything in here. This bag would probably be so heavy for me because I'm sure I would just throw everything in here. She is a beauty. Look at there, people. Yeah, I think that is, see there? That definitely looks like a stain to me. So yeah, I'll be, look, it has the Coach Gold print, and then the back sides. This side has the hang tag here. Yeah, this baby going back. Yeah, we can't do that. I know it was a good price, but if it's a stain, I want it to be my stain. Alrighty, alrighty. So I am very pleased with that. We will be wrapping her, and I'm going to attempt to take her back into the store, and hopefully, I don't have any issues with returning it. I do have all of the inserts that came in the box, and I will think about whether I want to get the Brooklyn 39 from the Coach website. It doesn't even guarantee that it will not be used, because when I purchased my Empire 40, it didn't have all of the stuffing and wrapping. It wasn't, I know it was a return, but I wanted that honey so bad. And now I still think about it and feel like I really didn't. I was like not the first mommy of this bag, and I recognize that. Now the other two, I feel like I was truly the first owner. That it was not test driven, it wasn't owned by anyone else. But the honey, I still feel like it was either a display in the store or someone had it and returned it, because there was barely any packaging, and that came from Coach. So although if I decide to order this again, it's no guarantee whether it is going to be retail wrapped or not. But I may take my chances and do it that way, or think about maybe I need to stay with the leather if the suede stains so easily like that. I'm sure there's probably some type of product that you can put onto the suede to protect it, but I do love it. I think it's a beautiful bag. So, next steps, we'll see what happens. Hey, you appreciate it. Thank you for hanging out with me as I unbox the Brooklyn 39. It's a beautiful bag. She will, however, be going back because of the stain on her. Hey, like and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you are aware when I upload new videos. Thank you all. Thank you for spending some time with Mrs. DLC.